In a world that keeps moving, faster than most people can process, where days blur together and everything asks for your attention, there are still moments when something inside you slows down. Welcome to Zion Daily. Take a breath. You don't have to rush this moment. Just be here for a second, because even now, something is happening within you. You may not have words for it. You may not fully understand it, but you can feel it, a subtle shift, a quiet sense that something is changing. Maybe it feels like clarity starting to form where confusion used to be. Maybe it feels like peace showing up in a place that used to feel heavy. Maybe it feels like you're letting go of things without forcing yourself to. That is not random. That is Yahweh leading you, not with pressure, not with confusion, but with a steady kind of direction that meets you where you are. You don't have to have everything figured out. You don't have to see the full picture yet. You just have to recognize that you are not moving through life alone. Even in moments when things seem ordinary, when nothing dramatic is happening, when everything looks the same on the outside, there is still movement. Your thoughts are being refined. Your decisions are becoming clearer. Your steps are being ordered in ways you may not even realize yet. And sometimes, the most powerful guidance feels simple. It feels like knowing what to walk away from. It feels like choosing peace instead of reacting. It feels like taking one step forward without needing to see the whole path. That is how alignment grows, not all at once, but step by step. And the more you pay attention, the more you begin to notice something. You're not forcing your way through life anymore. You're being led through it. There's a difference, and when you're being led, things begin to settle. You don't feel the same pressure. You don't feel the same urgency, because deep down, you're not missing anything. You're moving exactly as you're meant to. So if today feels a little lighter, even in a small way, notice that. If something that used to bother you doesn't carry the same weight anymore, notice that. If you feel a sense of calm that you can't fully explain, stay with that. That is not something to overlook. That is direction. Yahweh doesn't always move in ways that demand attention. Sometimes He moves in ways that bring you back to yourself, back to peace, back to clarity, back to alignment. And as you continue forward, you'll start to see it more clearly. The way things are lining up, the way certain paths are closing, while better ones begin to open, the way you're becoming more grounded, more aware, more steady. This is not by accident. This is what it looks like to be guided. So today, don't overcomplicate it. You don't need to force answers. You don't need to rush outcomes. Just stay present, stay aware, stay open, because right here, in this moment, you are being gently led. And that is more than enough. This is Zion Daily, where everything becomes clearer and alignment changes everything.